Carol of the Birds by Anonymous. Sung in English. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Whence comes this rush of wings afar, following straight the Noel star? Birds from the woods in wondrous flight, Bethlehem seek this holy night. Tell us, ye birds, why come ye here into the stable poor and drear? Hastening we seek the newborn King, and all the sweetest music bring. Angels and shepherds, birds of the sky, come where the Son of God doth lie. Christ on the earth with man doth dwell. Join in the shout, Noel, Noel. End of Carol of the Birds by Anonymous. Sung by Tony Oliva.